Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited because this is going to be quick, easy, inexpensive, all about the Dollar Tree DIY. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you for choosing to watch. I hope that you will decide to become a subscriber by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I thank you so much, and I hope that you will become a part of our family. I look forward to that. All right, so what you will need for this project is 2 of the Dollar Tree 2 packs of your napkin rings. You will need diamond wrap marbles. You will need your glue gun, definitely, and your glue sticks. You also need your scissors. You'll need some form of beads. The Dollar Tree does sell the round beads. They come in all different colors, but I hauled this from an estate sale, and I believe I want to work with it. I've used it in a few other projects and like it a lot, so we're gonna go with that today. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is flip our mirrors over. On the back of the mirror, there's already some height, but we want to make this higher. Because of our trimmings, we want to make it higher. I'm just gonna go right there on top of the foam and be generous with it. Okay guys, so as I'm putting together this candle holder, I realize I misspoke. You don't need 2 mirrors. You're gonna need 4 mirrors because you need one for the top. So I truly apologize. You will need 2 bottoms and 2 tops. So now I did the bottom, now I'm working on the top. So I went ahead and grabbed some of my other rounded beads to add to the trimming of these beads that I have. So basically I have 2 different kinds of beads. So I've got these that I use for the trimming that I wanted to add so that it hang below, just like that. And then I went ahead with the round ones and add them to the top. I'm thinking I may add an additional one there, but not sure yet. As soon as So guys, once you've got your mirrors all set up and your napkin rings all glued on, we're going to go ahead, take our diamond wrap and measure it. Okay guys, so I finished that one, and now I want to go ahead and do this one with you guys by adding a generous amount of glue to my napkin ring, and then go ahead and place it in the center of your mirror. Just like that. You're going to repeat the same step. Now, what I want to share with you guys, Dollar Tree glasses, the cylinders would be perfect because you will also see the height of your candles. I love that. I think that would be perfect for centerpiece for a wedding or a bridal shower. Truly love that. I'm going to go ahead and place it on the table, light them, and let you get a look at it. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love the way that they look. I hope you do as well. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly believe it turned out really, really well. All right guys, if you are not a subscriber, this is a great time for you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. Thank you again for watching and for your participation. Leave me a message, let me know, are these 2 candle holders that you would incorporate in your home or as a gift? All right guys, I look forward to speaking with you, and I see you on my next DIY.